Hey Joyful friends! Welcome back on this channel and welcome to another video. Today mga momshies and sisters, I'll be sharing with you some great news. And as you can see, nandito tayo sa kitchen because this area of our house will be renovated in few days from now. So ayan, madami tayong gagawin. So we're gonna be decluttering, packing some things because we have a lot of things to pack inside this area. And so I'll be tagging you along with this journey. So pagpasensyahan nyo na medyo mahaba-haba tong journey na to. But anyway, this area kasi was built 10 years ago and it has to be really renovated because ang dami nang kailangan palitan, ceiling, yung roof natin, even the cabinets and yung tiles dito sa ating kitchen will be also renovated or babaguhin siya. So we need a lot of patience to move some things out and to pack and also unpack kapag naman naayos na tong kitchen na to. But anyway, samahan niyo ako on this journey as we renovate this area. It's really hard to renovate an area in the house kasi you need to pack a lot of things and then it's a lot of work and it requires a lot of patience talaga. But I am very excited, or our family, we are very excited to see the final outcome of the renovation kasi we've been really planning to renovate the house or this area of the house because it was really a headache for us, especially if it's a rainy season or during the rainy season. So before the rainy season comes, we really want to renovate and fix especially the roof of this area. So we really need to do a lot of things from now. So mag-start na tayo.
Got a lot of venom in my veins. Got a lot of ice inside my bones. But baby, you should know I wasn't always this way. Yeah. Villains are made but never born.
As I pack our things, well, I've noticed that we have a lot of things and we need to declutter most of our stuff because as much as possible, I want the kitchen and the dining area as clear as possible. So, or at least to have minimal things inside the house because we just have a very small space and limited space inside the house. And so we need to declutter a lot of things.
So we date and we touch and we
Hey friends, so now it's actually 2 days before ng renovation dito sa ating kitchen and we are still packing up our things. So as you can see, wala nang laman yun sa may pantry area natin because naayos ko na silang lahat. But then we still have a lot of things to do. Plus this side as well, wala na rin yung mga bagay na nandito. And also, yung iba sa countertop medyo nalagyan na naman. So, ayan. But, on our dining area, yun, okay na siya. Ito, napack ko na yung mga, dito, stuff natin. And also, yung mga frames na ibaba ko na. But we're gonna put it inside na lang tomorrow. Kasi tomorrow pa naman tayo lilipat dun sa bahay ng sister ko. So, ayan. But anyway, update lang. So, we still need to fix so many things here sa bahay. Tapos, we will go out later to buy some tiles. So, isasama ko kayo sa Wilcon na malapit dito sa aming bahay. Doon tayo bibili ng tiles.
fuck and we kiss, but you run away when I ask what this is. Cause you don't wanna get emotional. You should know, people like me, we don't like that. When you get fucked and if you like me and I like you back, I wanna know, people like me, we don't like that. When you get false hope, and if you bite me, I'm gonna bite back. I'm gonna bite back. I'm gonna bite back. Yeah, I'm gonna say no plans.
went to Wilcon to buy some lighting fixtures and also some dish organizer, which is really, I think it's going to be my favorite for now, or for the if the kitchen will be renovated soon. So I love this dish organizer that we got. And also we bought also a few our ceiling fan with the light on it.
Kissing in the front of my car, under the stars, I want you to know I'll take this love slow. How did you get so cool? I'm just a fool, falling for you, don't wanna let you go. I'll take this love slow. We got so many years to learn each other's ways. I wanna know your ideas and love you every day. I spent so many tears waiting for this place, and now I want you to know I'll take this love slow. I'll take this love slow. Lying with you by my side under the pines, we never wanna go. I'll take this love slow. Lazing in the afternoon in your room, turn the lights down low. I'll take this love slow.